Yes,
you were duped
I
by
was
them, and we will
definitely-
fight for
yes.
this case as well. I thank you, viewers, for panel one. I thank you all. Ladies and gentlemen, as stunning new details emerge, a CBI investigation is imperative in Sushant's case. But the Maharashtra government has today flatly refused to hand over the probe to the central agency. Uddhav Thackeray, what are you trying to hide? Let's debate.
Their role is under the scanner. The Mumbai police and its investigation has been exposed.
मुंबई पुलिस तो कहीं और ही चली जा रही थी। मुंबई पुलिस ने इनफैक्ट परिवार से कहा कि आप जो है प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस के नाम 6-7 बड़े प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस के नाम ले लीजिए। बताइए, इस तरह का इन्वेस्टिगेशन होता है? इसका मतलब वो चाह रहे हैं उस इन्वेस्टिगेशन को डिरेल करना।
Their investigation has been under question from day one when they rushed to call it suicide.
एक्टर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जो है अपेरेंटली अभी उन्होंने सुसाइड कमिट किया है, ये जानकारी मिली है। आगे अभी अपेरेंट जो रीज़न है जो स्पॉट पे पता चला है हैंगिंग की वजह हो सकती है।
Until 2 days ago, they stuck to the suicide story.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत ने जो आत्महत्या की थी उसके बारे में इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू है। करीबन 37 लोगों को अभी तक वहाँ पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए बुलाया गया है। फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, बॉलीवुड में कोई कोटरी है क्या जो बिजनेस राइवलरी के कारण किसको नए लोगों को आने नहीं देती इंडस्ट्री में? इस प्रकार की चर्चा, बिजनेस राइवलरी की चर्चा लेके वो एंगल से इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है।
But with more and more details emerging,
रिया उसको उसके मौत में, क्योंकि उसने ही रखवाया था दिशा को, रिप्लेसमेंट अभी ज्वाइन भी नहीं की थी और सुसाइड कर दी, तो इसलिए उसको लगा कहीं ऐसा नहीं कि जब वो मेरे बारे में मीडिया को कुछ बोलेगी तो शायद ये दिशा का भी नाम मेरे से जोड़ दे, तो ये डर उसके मन में चल रहा था।
with the Republic investigation exposing the hidden details, the clamor for a CBI probe too has been growing.
मैं आपके चैनल को धन्यवाद दूंगा। और दूसरी बात, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जी के पिताजी से हमारी मुलाकात भी हुई थी, उनकी बहन से भी हमारी मुलाकात हुई थी और हमने कहा था कि हर एक संभव मदद जो होगा जांच के विषय में अगर मांग करनी पड़े तो हम लोग करेंगे। ऑल इज़ व्हाट वी वांट कि उनको जस्टिस मिले। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत देश के यूथ आइकन रहे, बिहार का नाम रोशन किया, और एज अ बिहारी हम लोग सब लोग जानना चाहते हैं कि वजह क्या है। ये बात ठीक है कि मुंबई पुलिस जो है इतने दिनों से जो है अब तक कोई पहलू पे नहीं पहुंच पाई।
But the Maharashtra government is against transparency, shutting its ear and all doors to the nationwide demand.
वैसे आज की हमारी दूसरी बैठक थी, लेकिन एज ए गृह मंत्री मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का जो केस है उसको मुंबई पुलिस तहकीकात उसकी कर रही है और कोई भी हालत में सीबीआई को ये केस देने का कोई प्रश्न नहीं उपस्थित हो।
Nitish Kumar wants a CBI investigation. The family wants the truth to emerge. Is the Maharashtra government hiding something? 13 days ago, Riya herself wanted CBI investigation. Tonight, does the all-out effort to block a transparent probe simply confirm suspicions? Let's debate.
Look at the words used, Pinky Anand, by the Maharashtra government today. They say किसी भी हालत में हम CBI में नहीं जाने देंगे, which means under any circumstances we will not let the matter go to the CBI. This sounds very desperate. What do they mean किसी भी हालत में? And why have they taken that kind of a position? Isn't that itself suspicious? Second point, Pinky, you know, the family has named Riya. Now the details come out. The family has made huge revelations about Riya Chakrabarti. When Riya Chakrabarti was questioned on June 18th, there was no facts. So they questioned her without any facts. They don't want her questioned with any facts. What is the Mumbai police doing? Why is it trying to save Riya Chakrabarti? Are they trying to save Riya Chakrabarti? Or are they trying to save Mahesh Bhatt? Or are they trying to save the whole Bollywood mafia? Very suspicious. What do you think? And Rizwan Merchant, welcome into the debate as well. Yeah, but I'll go first with Pinky. Yeah.
Arnab, yes. I basically don't know where we are headed in this entire discussion. You know, there are a couple of features that you talked about. You talked about the Mumbai police not wanting CBI inquiry, and then again, what Mumbai police not investigating Riya with or without facts, or rather they had done with
Why
without
shouldn't
facts.
Riya?
Okay,
I'll give you the direction. Why should Riya not be taken into interrogation by the Bihar police?
Yes.
What's so wrong with it?
No, the question is the Bihar police. When you have a police agency which is investigating a case, if there's any deficiency in it, let's for a moment take the best case anybody has, that there's a deficiency in it. You can't walk into another state and institute an FIR in another state on the ground that a particular agency, state agency, is not carrying out.
Even if you're doing a cover-up.
That is not the manner in which criminal law seems to work in this country.
Shweta, even if you're doing a
whatever it is, you can go to court, you can ask for transfer, you can look today. In fact, Riya has asked for transfer of the case from Mumbai to
Pinky Anand, the question comes to you from a question comes to you from Shweta Shalini of the Maharashtra BJP. She puts a question to you. Yes, Shweta.
Yes.
Pinky ji, first and foremost, it is not just another state. Sushant belonged to that state. You are advocating a police and a system whose minister comes out openly and says, at any cost, I'm not going to hand over the investigation to CBI. At any, please understand. On 16th of July, Riya actually tweeted to Amit Shah saying, please take this matter and take it to CBI. And today she says that please bring it back to Mumbai police. Why? Simple things. I have one simple question for you. 15 out of 17 crores that Sushant Singh had, 15 crores were transferred to Riya's relatives. Why did Mumbai's police not file an FIR, which could have been financial fraud? This is the first thing that you see when a person has died. Why did they not do it? Why now the lawyer Vikas Singh, you just heard him, he has clearly said that we were after, the family was after Mumbai police for filing an FIR. They were not filing an FIR. There were so many questions which are still unanswered. And I want to ask you now that you are advocating, why was he taken to Cooper Hospital? You think Cooper Hospital is better than Leelavati, which is closest to his house? Answer simple questions. You tell me, how did Riya appoint
I just answer you.
Satish Manchinde on this? Do you know that Satish Manchinde is also the public prosecutor for the Palghar lynching case? I mean, this is all a connection. And of course, when a minister comes out and says that at any cost I'm not going to transfer the case, it tells us that it is the cost that we are paying, the cost of credibility, the cost of justice, the cost of truth. What is he hiding? And he's a public representative. And the public, lakhs and thousands of people are asking him to transfer the case, yet he has the guts to come on national television and say that, no, I'm not going to transfer. Why? Because one of his colleagues was sitting on the same night where Sushant Singh's manager jumped to death. What is he hiding?
I also want to put a more legal question since she's a legal eagle, and I welcome Swapnil Kothari, well-known Mumbai lawyer. He is with us today, senior lawyer. I welcome movie industry tracker Ramesh Bala. I welcome Ketan Vaidya. I welcome Ajay Kumar of the LJP. You see, you're the lawyer, Pinky, and a top lawyer at that. You know, the Mumbai police is not filing an FIR. In the Supreme Court, in the Lalita Kumari case, a constitution bench of the Supreme Court in the Lalita Kumari versus Government of UP case said, if an information discloses commission of a cognizable offence and no preliminary inquiry is permissible in such a situation, is the police going slow instead of taking cognizance of this case, right? Now, in this particular case, I placed before you that the Mumbai police was informed in February that there is a threat to his life. A matter which they have been hiding till now, Swapnil. The Mumbai police has disclosed by someone you know, Pinky. You know, Vikas Singh, who's the lawyer in the case, not a greenhorn lawyer, former ASG, has said that we told the DCP Bandra that someone's going to try and kill him. And obviously, if the DCP knew, the CP knew. So the Commissioner of Police of Mumbai should tell the country today, tell the country he knew about this case. Therefore, I want to know whether that line of questioning based upon the information at hand, 1 minute, the information at hand from February was used to interrogate Ria when she went in on 18th. I want to know if that is the case. Then were the financial angles, why were the financial angles not investigated by the Mumbai police when they interrogated Ria on the 18th? Now, if they want to do a post-dated, you know, they try to do a post-dated investigation on that, then nobody's going to believe that. So I'm sitting on a mountain of information, and I really believe, Pinky, that technical explanations cannot be used to protect this cartel anymore and ensure that the Mumbai police is doing nothing. Given the reins of the case, they are misusing the reins of the case to mislead the case in a direction which it should not go.
I need to come here because this is the
Ajay is coming in. Ajay, yeah, Ajay is coming in. Ajay.
About the subject, and maybe rightly so.
This is the matter related to the people of Bihar.
You might be emotional about the subject.
No, I'm not emotional. I'm very
on a belief that something has happened.
Not on a belief.
Ajay.
Not on a belief. Not on a belief.
And then decide.
Not on a belief.
With the criminal.
No, not on a belief.
Everything should come into place. And then you take action as per the whims and fancies of any.
1 second. What you are using? I now. Sorry. 1 minute.
Sorry. Have a grievance against it. Have a forum.
Sorry, 1 minute. Sorry, 1 minute. What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? 1 minute, Ajay. Thank you. Ajay, 1 minute, thank you. See now 1 minute, please, Ajay. Thank you, Ajay. Ajay, thank you. What did you say? Whims and fancies, and what else did you say, Pinky?
I only said that when you decide that there are some facts which you believe might be correct, firstly, things don't work like this under the criminal law of the country. You have a grievance against the Mumbai police for a moment, not you as in you, but you or the public or the nation has a grievance against what the police has or has not done, not registered in FIR. You can go to the court. You can go to a magistrate, which nobody seems to have gone in this case, and ask for an FIR to be registered under the accordance with law. You can go to the High Court and say that action is not being taken, proper action should be taken. None of this is done. Instead, what happens is you go from one jurisdiction.
No. Did I, Pinky, just asking you and verifying, did I discern, however unintentional on your part, a slightly patronizing tone in the way you spoke to me?
That's for you to judge, Arnab. I don't mean anything patronizing or critical. I am making a macro statement. It is for you to judge if it is considered one way or the other. The intention is very clear.
Here's my point to you.
Sometimes the point is you make a question, one gives a response. Now the response is based upon what the system works on.
Pinky, Anand, listen to me. Now I would like to give you an appropriate and polite reply. Point number 1.
Fair enough.
You are the one. I am quite horrified. And Swapnil is on the debate, replacing Ajay for a moment, and we go straight into the case. I am horrified that you believe that you, being a lawyer, have made a very sweeping statement based upon absolutely no facts, saying that you made 2 sweeping statements, which I would tell you, and I would politely differ with you, and maybe, if you don't mind, without the intention of being patronizing in return, I would place before you that you have made 2 inappropriate remarks. 1, whims and fancies. Second, you followed that up by making another sweeping remark. Things don't work that way. Now, even if you couch these remarks in legalese, they are very sweeping remarks. Now, I'll tell you why they are sweeping remarks. Where is the whim and fancy? I have evidence before me, presented on my program, by a senior advocate representing the family, who has gone on to say that he will, if required, place the evidence, hard evidence, before the appropriate authorities, marking out the time and date when the Mumbai police was officially informed by Sushant's family about a threat to his life. If I am narrating that fact, there is no whim, And excuse me, there is no fancy. I am not pursuing this case for whims and fancies. I am pursuing hard evidence. Therefore, I have established. Allow me to complete. Therefore, I have established that the Mumbai police. 1 minute, Pinky. See, Pinky. I am presenting before you hard evidence that the Mumbai police is seized of the matter. Seized since February. Right? Now, if they are seized of the matter, have not acted, I am surprised that a person dies because to what extent is inaction one of the reasons? What if I say that if the Mumbai police had been seized of the matter and acted, then Sushant's life would have been saved, Swapnil. Sushant would not be dead. I'm saying today, no whim. And Pinky, remember always, we are trained journalists with acute investigating skills, and I request you to please place before you. There was no whim and fancy in the Sunanda case investigation. There was no whim and no fancy in the Peter Mukherjee investigation also, and the Sheena Bora investigation. There was no whim and there was no fancy. No, 1 minute. I repeat before you, there was no whim or fancy. In fact, I would place before you that it is because of our investigation. It is because of our investigation that the Mumbai police could not cover up the Sheena Bora case. Now I place before you, I call it dereliction of duty. What if I say dereliction of duty by the Mumbai police? I want the Mumbai police commissioner to present before the nation the hard evidence of the action that he took. I want the Mumbai police commissioner to present before the country the hard action he took after, if he was duly informed in February, which I have been informed. Had they acted, they could have saved him from dying.
If there is genuine grievance, let it come forward.
No, it's not a grievance. You're the one using... No, it's not a grievance.
It is on this issue.
There is no grievance. There is no grievance. You are using words like grievance. There is a notification of a potential crime to the police.
Is grievance not an appropriate word?
It is not an appropriate word. Sorry. It's not the appropriate word is complaint. The appropriate legal word is complaint. A complaint has been made, not a grievance. A grievance is a semantic. A grievance. Pinky, listen. Grievance is a game of semantics you play with me and attempt to present the other side as presenting logically inferior facts. I ask you not grievance, complaint to the Mumbai police in February. The boy could be killed or the boy's life is under threat. That's not a grievance.
Arnab, generally in English, a complaint is a grievance. I don't think you need to go there.
No. You are playing with words, not me. Swapnil is on the debate responding to Swapnil. No, I'm saying what did the Mumbai police do to stop? What did the Mumbai police do to stop the crime?
Sure, you can ask that.
Swapnil.
Arnab, nothing.
You can ask if you can sustain the fact the complaint was made, a grievance was made, action wasn't taken. Yes, it can be asked.
The other panelists
could have been asked, it should have been asked.
I think I've heard people very patiently. I don't want to get into the vocabulary debate on grievance and complaint. I think everybody knows the difference between the two. And I think we all understand in English, in legalese, that grievance does mean a complaint in some form, and complaint is the more official word, and so is grievance. But I don't want to get into that. I think the more appropriate question asked by Arnab is that what did the Mumbai police do when it was seized of the matter on the 25th of February? It did nothing. It was comatose. It slept on it. Had it taken a little bit of preventive action, perhaps we would not have seen 14th of June the way we saw it. So that is one of the most important things. Secondly, Arnab, the very fact that for 40 days, the Mumbai police doesn't do anything, that prompts the Bihar police, which was camping here in Mumbai incognito, and then suddenly came out of the shadows and said that we are filing an FIR on 5 heavy sections, including abetment to suicide. Now that may be a little bit of a misnomer there. According to me, it's a murder. It's not a suicide. But given the circumstances, the 5 section seems to be appropriate to nail in Riya Chakrabarti. What was the Mumbai police doing for 10 hours with Riya Chakrabarti when it called in for questioning at the Banda police station? Was it serving tea, coffee and sandwiches? For 10 hours, you do not get the details of the company, the finances, the fact that the sister and the brother both are directors in the company or playing part in the company. So, and what is the name of the company? Funnily, Vivid Rage Reality X Limited. Vivid Rage. Whose Vivid Rage are we talking about? What is going on? I think we need to investigate this a little bit more further. The financial angle is one of the most important angles. There is a definite connectivity between Disha Salian's death, so-called death, and Sushant Singh's death. So that is one thing the Mumbai police has been comatose upon. I am happy that the Bihar police has come in. Both the police stations need to get out of this, and this needs to go to the CBI so that they do not botch up the investigation between an ego wrangle again, and then Sushant Singh's case gets refrigerated.
And in order
this
to,
is my opinion.
In order to place public opinion in a wrong direction, Neelam, they are leaking Viscera reports saying no foul play.
Exactly.
Yes.
I mean, I would have to know
Neelam.
what have they found in the post-mortem as being the time of death. We still don't know, because the word going around that he might have died on the 13th. So whether it's the Viscera report, whether it is the post-mortem report, it is not enough on its own to support with the case. I mean, you have to look at a whole lot of circumstances, and they've got selective information. Post-mortem report said this, Viscera report said this. What about all the people who were standing there? Was anyone taken from there for interrogation, proper interrogation? I mean, Sandeep Singh has just told you that no, the police asked him nothing. He was one of the first visitors. So this selective kind of investigation, I don't see what's going on. It's not going to get anywhere. And,
Also, one more point, Rizwan Merchant, and maybe Ketan can take this. Rizwan Merchant, the government prejudges the case, the state government. That the Home Minister comes out and repeatedly gives statements saying that it is a suicide. I feel that those are not statements. He is indirectly giving directions to the Mumbai police.
Exactly. Yes.
He is giving directions to the Mumbai police. How can the Mumbai police?
From before.
How can the? I think Anil Deshmukh. I think Anil, the Home Minister, should quit, should resign. Because what evidence did he have to declare Sushant Singh Rajput clinically depressed? Yes, Rizwan.
And the intimidating tone. If he was saying that kisi bhi haal mein, he should have also said ki what they are going to do to rectify matters.
The fair point to make, Rizwan, and which is that he is trying to not influence. He's giving directions to the Mumbai police. He's prejudged the case.
Arnab, there are 2-3 things which need to be noted down. I first agree that yes, if there was a particular complaint of threat to Sushant Singh Rajput, it ought to have been looked into, most certainly yes. But you can't expect a registration of an FIR on that particular claim of a threat.
No, what was the investigation done on it?
Are non. You can't have investigation on that for the simple reason.
So a family member of a well-known actor in Mumbai. One line. I'll let you continue. One line. A family member says that there is a threat to Sushant's life. You're saying nothing can be done about it.
Investigate into it.
Interesting. Why can't anything be done about it?
No. It's a non-cognizable offence. It can be inquired into. You can't investigate because there is no FIR. There is no cognizable offence which is made out. Secondly, for police to investigate, you need to disclose that the threat has come from whom. The threat has come to whom?
1 second, sir.
Whether it has come from B, whether it has come from C.
No, 1 second. Can I intervene? Rizwanji, one line. Rizwanji, I'll tell you why I feel. As I said, I have never in my career used women fancy to influence my questions. On the other hand, like you like to use hard evidence.
I did not use those words.
On the 15th,
I did not use those words.
No, that's all right. On the 15th of June, Anil Deshmukh, the Home Minister, in his first statement...
I've appeared on your debates with hard evidence.
No, I also come with hard evidence.
Shira Bora's case. I appreciate your investigation technique.
Sir, but I am not...
appreciate that.
I am saying that even hypothetically, I don't bring any personal angle into it. My question is...
one very important thing.
Sir, my question is... Sir, one line. Sir, Rizwanji, you're blocking my one line.
That at the time when Sushant...
My one line.
Sure.
On 15 June, Anil Deshmukh, Home Minister, in his first statement said, we are examining the angle of business rivalry. Now, this is bizarre. The family has given a complaint to your government saying his life is under threat from a coterie. What business rivalry? He's cooking up the story of business rivalry and depression. So what is he talking about?
No. Immediately after the death of Sushant, it was all over in the press that there is a possibility of business rivalry. So when there is something which is coming to the notice of the Home Minister...
There's no rivalry. There is professional strangulation, not rivalry. There's no rivalry. There are groups which...
No, if they are investigating a business rivalry, that does not mean that other investigations are supposed to come to a standstill.
Okay, Shweta wants to counter you, Rizwanji.
Arnab, we are forgetting one
Okay, let him complete his point,
We are
Shweta.
forgetting one very important thing. At the time,
Rizwanji, you are a lawyer.
when Sushant's body was found,
No.
unfortunately,
No,
ma'am,
I-
can I
You are a
just
lawyer,
finish?
I am
Then
not a
you can
lawyer.
take over.
Let me
You can
just
take over. Let me
simply
finish, please.
put-
At the time when Sushant's body was recovered,
Rizwan, one minute,
there was
one minute,
no-
one minute, one minute. I ask you this, one minute, one minute.
This is the problem. This is the
Rizwan,
problem.
one
You
minute,
don't allow me to
one
speak.
minute. Why should the case not be transferred, Rizwan Merchant, to the CBI today? Today there are jurisdiction battles which are prolonging
See,
the
for the simple
investigation.
reason, every
Riya
case, any and
Chakrabarti
every
moves the
case just
court
because of
against the
public
Bihar
demand.
police's investigation. Why shouldn't the case be transferred to the CBI when there are connections being drawn to Sushant's death and the death of his manager Disha
One minute,
Salian,
please. Riya
which was
has
shut
moved the
down?
Supreme
A
Court.
case, listen to me,
Riya-
listen to me,
Arnab, let
a
me
case
come-
which was,
let
listen
me
to me
reply, let me
Rizwanji, a
reply,
case which
let
was shut down as a case of accidental death by the Mumbai police.
It's not registered as an accidental death. An ADR does not mean an
Rizwanji,
accidental death.
what we have
Suicide does not
said
mean an accident.
time and
Please try to
again, and we
understand.
want to
I am
There was
talking
no-
about Disha
one minute, ma'am,
Salian's
one
case,
minute, ma'am.
which
One
was
minute,
shut as
please,
a
one
case of
minute.
accidental
When
death by
there
the Mumbai
was-
police.
when there
You are not
was-
hearing me.
when
There have
there
been
was
CBI
no
inquiries in other
suicide
cases
note found
where there were
in Sushant's
discrepancies
room.
in the investigation.
So let the investigation complete by the Bombay police. Why do you doubt their investigations? Why do you doubt the capabilities
What
of
is
Mumbai
the
police?
investigation? The
In
prime.
every case, you
What
try to
is the
doubt
investigation? I doubt the investigation because they've been sitting on the evidence since February. And had they acted, perhaps Sushant would not have died. Shweta is responding to Shweta.
This is the primary
Shweta.
question.
But not to
Shweta,
Can I come in?
Any
Rizwanji, this is the primary question. I don't want to use any legal words, but I want to question the investigation of the police because what all they have done is complete sham. When the family complained in February, they took absolutely no
you have got
action.
every right
Even on an
to- one
NC,
minute.
some
You have-
action has to be taken,
you
but
have
they did not
every
take
right
an
to
action.
question the investigation,
Second, please
but there is a
understand,
way and means
Sandeep
of questioning the
Singh, no
investigation.
statement was recorded.
You cannot question
You
the
think
investigation.
Ankita Lokhande wants to record a statement with Bihar police, but she does not want to record a statement with Mumbai police. They never wanted to record a statement. What all they have been doing in the name of investigation is simply sham. And that is what we are doubting.
You are saying,
we are doubting their intention,
Ketan, Rizwan
and we
Merchant
know
makes an
for
interesting
sure
point because I
that
have
they will
30
be
seconds
blotching
left.
up
He
the
says today,
evidence.
you cannot
There were
question the
six-
investigation
there were
as if the
six
investigation
diaries.
is some holy grail. 1 minute.
Arnab, where
He
is
says
the
to me,
suicide note?
listen to
Where
me,
is-
sir, Rizwanji,
where is
Rizwanji,
the
listen to me.
suicide note to
Rizwanji,
charge
listen to
anybody
me.
with abetment of suicide?
Rizwan Merchant, listen to me. Listen to me.
Neither is the CBI
Listen, 1 minute, let me make my
Supreme
point.
Court
Let me
had
make
called
my
the
point.
CBI
Let me,
a
Ketan,
case parallel.
1 point and then
charge a
handing over to you.
particular person with
Rizwan
abetment of
Merchant
suicide,
says
you
you
need a
cannot
damn
question the
suicide note.
investigation.
You
Rizwan,
need a
1 minute.
damn suicide
Rizwanji,
note.
1 minute.
In the absence
I
of
say
the
to you,
suicide note,
I say
how
to
do
you,
you
we
expect the police to
question
investigate
the
306?
Sheena Bora investigation. Did we do a good thing or a bad thing in retrospect, Ketan? Tell me.
You did a good thing. I was with you on the debate. Don't
Then
forget
why
that.
do you
Absolutely, you did a
say
good
now,
thing.
so many
And
years
the
later,
media
that I should not
debate.
investigate this
media
case?
Two
should-
back-to-back debates. For the simple reason, in this case, there is no suicide
what
note.
I'm saying.
If there is no
But
suicide note,
More
you can't
reason,
register
it could be
306.
cold-blooded murder.
You can't register abetment
More
of suicide.
reason, it could be
You need to
cold-blooded
have a
murder.
Suicide note. You need to be charged
there
that this
are
particular person
multiple
has
echo
abetted a
chambers
suicide. There was no
resonating
note of
around this
Sushant.
case.
So you can't
Okay,
register
one
306.
is a
Please
political
understand
echo
that.
chamber that is resonating from
then
Bihar.
why are
Another
you
is
doing this?
another is the
No,
echo
no.
chamber of lobbies and allegations and all of that. So the Mumbai police's prerogative is simply to investigate the case according to the points that are concerning the case and
Oh,
not
1 minute, just a minute.
not focus on the echo chambers around.
Ketan,
Okay.
I don't know how much time I have left. You said, and I'll close with this
40
because I don't have
days,
time
what
left.
have they
Viewers,
done, Ketan? 40 days.
viewers, I
Please
thank you. I'll have to
understand,
close
40 days
here.
they have
This is
done
an
nothing.
ongoing
There were
investigation,
6 diaries.
and we will take it to its logical conclusion, viewers. With more on this and much more, I will be back tomorrow at 9. Thank you and good night.